Let's have a look at how you can make a customer request on your mobile phone. The first thing you need to do is tell us what your request is about. Let's say you have just spotted a dog wandering alone in the park. Click on the black arrow. You can scroll through the list to find what you're looking for. Or type a keyword in the search bar, like dog, and press search. Select the option that best relates to your request. Now, you need to tell us some details about the request. Whenever you see a black arrow, you should click on it to view and select from the available options. Now you will be asked for more details, which you can type in here. If it's relevant, you will be asked to select the request location. Click on the black arrow, then start typing in the location details or address. You can drop a pin on the map to pinpoint an exact location. Enter your contact details. And let us know whether you would like to be updated on the progress of your request via email, mail, or phone. You can add any relevant attachments, like a photo of the dog you saw. Now, click the orange arrow button on the top right of your screen and click Submit. Your request has been successfully lodged. You will now see a confirmation screen with a tracking number, and the city will get to work resolving your request.